Hello friends. Let's proceed further. Now we have seen various sections of metallocenes. Proceeding further, we will deal with the chemical properties of metallocenes. Now chemical properties will be studied with specific examples. So let's proceed. The most important compound of metallocene is ferrocene. So ferrocene was the first example of the sandwich compounds and most formally of metallocenes. Iron in 2 plus oxidation state is squeezed between two flat objects which are cyclopentadienyl ion, each of which has a single negative charge as is shown in the blue figure. Ferrocene owes its unusual stability to the fact that when one proton is removed from the cyclopentadiene molecule, which is C5H6, it becomes the flat and aromatic cyclopentadienyl ion, which is C5H5 minus. This means that apart from the 10 electrons holding the ring together in 5 single carbon-carbon bonds, it has 6 extra electrons moving around above and below the pentagon. Now, this situation is exactly the similar situation as is in benzene molecule, that is the hexagonal C6H6. So, this similarity to benzene made that time chemists adopt the name ferrocene for this compound. As you can see, various statistical data which is given for ferrocene, that is FeC10H10 or FeC5H5 whole twice, which is known as dicyclopentadienyl iron, and it is a light orange powder, as I have also shown in the figure, which is insoluble in water, but it is readily soluble in most of the organic solvents. Now let's see the chemical properties of ferrocene. Starting with lithiation reaction, which is in box 1, you can see that on reaction with butyl lithium, which is an organolithium compound, it forms a monosubstituted or monolithio derivative. Now this monolithio derivative, when it reacts with an organosilicon compound, which is trimethylsilyl chloride, it forms the same substitution takes place at the same position. However, this lithio derivative of ferrocene on reaction with the formaldehyde gives an alcohol, and on reaction with oxide of nitrogen gives a nitroferrocene, which gets converted into an aminoferrocene. Now, ferrocene reacts, you can see that same reaction of ferrocene with butyl lithium in box 2, where ferrocene on reaction with butyl lithium gives 1 dash dilithioferrocene, that is in intense lithiation condition. Now, this 1 dash dilithioferrocene is a versatile nucleophile and it forms a ring compound with sulfur, that is S8. Moving further on hydroxy carboxylation, monosubstituted acid is obtained as a major product. However, if the similar conditions are prolonged, then disubstituted acid cannot be avoided. Friedel-Crafts reaction with acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride is also shown further in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride. This reaction by mistake I have shown at two places. One is as a general reaction and other is with methyl chloride. So these are the same reactions. Now monosubstituted product is obtained and disubstituted product is also obtained in minor quantities. Now next in the series is oxymercuration reaction with acetoxy mercury, where again we get monosubstituted substituted as well as di-substituted products. However, di-substituted product on reaction with iodine shows the substitution of iodine at both the positions. Now, in the further case, on reaction with aluminium chloride and alkene, we get an ethyl group substituted at one of the cyclopentadienyl rings. Now, as shown in figure 3, under conditions for Mannich reaction, ferrocene gives NN dimethyl amino methyl ferrocene. Now, that is the substitution. The substituent is CH2NMe2. I think the 2 has been cut in the picture, so that is well understood.